Good afternoon, scholars. Today we're going to learn about chemical reactions, chemical changes, and how they cause heat. So let's see. Today I have hydrogen peroxide, a clear bowl, a thermometer, and some active dry yeast. Yeast is what's found in a lot of breads and cakes and cookies. So what we're going to do first is I am going to pour a quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide into this bowl. So here goes quarter cup of hydrogen peroxide. We're going to carefully pour that into the bowl. Now, let's measure it with our thermometer. This is just a regular meat thermometer, and let's put it in there and see what the temperature says. Temperature says that it's at about 70 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of yeast to our mixture. When I add this solid into this liquid, do you think it'll be a chemical or a physical change? Let's see. Remember, physical means it's not going to dissolve, it's not going to change, it's going to stay this way. Ooh, you can already see it fizzing up. So let's see what happens when I mix it around a little bit. Look at the bubbles it's making. So now I just added a solid to a liquid, and what did it make? It's making bubbles, and you can actually see it growing. Look at the thermometer. Remember, we started at 70 degrees. It's now up at 80, and it's actually moving past. And when I actually feel the bowl, I can feel it getting warmer. And look at how the bubbles are rising. And they're popping. You can actually hear the bubbles. So that tells me that by adding this yeast, we had a chemical reaction. The solid, the liquid, the gas. 3 states of matter all in one bowl, and now look again at the temperature. It's almost up to 90 degrees. Okay, so we saw our chemical reaction happen when we added the yeast to the hydrogen peroxide. And it was because the atoms started to speed up that we felt that heat. We felt the change. And we used a solid added to a liquid to make the gas, which was the bubbles and the change. All right, scholars, I'll be back again tomorrow for another one. Have a great day.